seated, keeping all hands, arms, legs, feet, and small children inside the boat at all times. Parents, please supervise your children. Children, please supervise your parents. I don't trust them either. And it looks like we are clear to go. Everybody wave goodbye to the dock. That's silly. Wave goodbye to the people on the dock. You never saw them before. You'll never see them again. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is Skipper Jason. Not only am I your Jungle Cruise skipper, I am also your alligator wrestler, lion tamer, cruise director, dancing instructor, snake charmer, crocodile hunter, guidance counselor. And if you don't laugh at my jokes, I magically become your swimming instructor. Now we're going to start things off here in the Amazon rainforest on the Amazon River, where these beautiful Amazon butterflies are larger than life. Check them out, everybody. Their wingspans can go anywhere from 12 inches up to a whopping 1 foot. That makes them the rulers of the jungle. True monarchs, ladies and gentlemen, the true monarchs. Now, coming up here and around the riverbed, we have what we like to call Inspiration Falls. We call it Inspiration Falls because, well, the longer we stare at it, the more and more it inspires each and every single one of us to go deeper and deeper into the jungle. Everybody say, ooh. Everybody say, ah. That sounds like a boatload of inspiration to me, folks. So much inspiration, not only going to change rivers, we are also changing continents. We are now cruising along on the Congo River on the continent of Africa. We're going to see just how far this boat can go before it sinks. Now, up here at the beach, ladies and gentlemen, I have arranged for you a welcoming picnic party. There's going to be music, dancing, singing, eating, drinking. So much fun, so much excitement, so much like my 16th birthday party. I can't see anyone canoe. Don't worry, folks, jokes get worse, I promise. Watch out for my buddy here in the tree, everyone. He's a giant python. Don't get too close, he will develop a crush on you very quickly. He's really friendly. You guys know how I know he's a python and not a boa? No feathers, no feathers. We're going to stop here at my camp and pick up some supplies, everybody. Now, this is what I get. Look at this, guys. This is what I get for leaving my door open in the jungle, everybody. My in-laws stop by and they break every single thing that I own. Good news, though, they got my Jeep started. I couldn't get that turned over this morning. Wonder if they use the monkey wrencher called Triple Leaf. All right, folks, we're now turning down the Nile River. We had it turned down. Neighbors were complaining about the noise. The Nile River is the world's longest river. It goes on for miles and miles and miles and miles. If you don't believe me, you are in? No, Africa, folks. Pay attention. Coming up over here is my friend Jimbo, an African bull horseman, everybody. He is the second scariest creature here in the jungle, everyone. Over here is the #1 scariest creature in the jungle, Jimbo's mother-in-law. Just saying. Here we have the sandstone rock formation. A lot of people take it for granted, but I think it still rocks, though. It's one of our bolder attractions here in the jungle. True sediments, folks, true sediments. We are now cruising along here onto the African belt, where all the animals have come together to use the watering hole. Check it out, folks, those zebras in the back. Those are the oldest zebras on property. How do I know? Because they're still in black and white. Yeah. Look at that pride of lions babysitting that sleeping zebra. Oh, isn't that sweet? Yeah, that zebra's dead. Dead tired, kids, dead tired. Lions are singing a lullaby. We'll let it rest in pieces. Now, over here, I'd like to introduce you all to the world-famous Jungle Cruise Band. They were out here earlier looking for a brand new drum, everybody. I think they found a horn instead. Yeah. Now, bottoms up. Now, here comes my favorite part of the world-famous Jungle Cruise, where I get to point out all of my favorite jungle plants. Here we go. Now, up ahead, everybody, is good old Schweitzer Falls. Schweitzer Falls is named after the late, great African explorer, Dr. Albert Falls. We're going to make a sharp turn to the right, folks. Last time I went to the left, I got soaked, ended up somewhere in Cambodia. Here we go. To the right, Jungle Cruise boat, to the right. As we pass by the falls, everybody feel that nice refreshing mist on your face. That's over 3,962 jungle bacteria. You're welcome. Now, a lot of people started asking me, Skipper Jason, how on earth did you land your job here in the jungle? Well, folks, quite frankly, it's plain to see I took a crash course, and I've been winging it ever since, hoping that one day my career would take off. But seriously, folks, that's just the tail end of it. We're going to keep cruising right along here into a pool full of hippos. It had to be hippos, folks. Now, last week, these hippos capsized about 6 boats, but don't worry, only 5 out of the 6 were mine. We should be okay. As a matter of fact, looking around the boat right now, I don't see anybody dressed up like a marble, so I think we're good to go. We're going to make our way out of this hippo pool and head into headhunter territory. Now, headhunter territory, ladies and gentlemen, not the greatest of places to be headed. Don't believe me? Ask my last crew. But seriously, folks, my last crew was a bunch of boneheads. Just saying. See those warriors dancing? That can only mean one of two things. They are either going to attack the boat or they lost the key to the men's room. Do me a favor, everybody. Keep your eyes peeled on this side of the boat for an ambush. See an ambush pointed out, let me know. I'm going to look for one over here. Ambush where? Oh no, that's not an ambush, folks. That's our local theater group rehearsing their Shakespeare. You know, to throw or not to throw? That is the question. There's an ambush right there, everybody. You can tell by the leaves. Just saying. Here we go. When you all came to the Jungle Cruise to see the 8th wonder of the world, the backside of water. Woohoo! Well, we skippers stop from 2H, folks, from 2H. We are now cruising along here onto the Mekong River deep in the heart of Cambodia. Really cool temple up ahead I want to show you guys. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be great. It's going to be amazing. So pretty, so shiny, so not it. Alright guys, it looks like I made a wrong turn somewhere. What do you say? Do we go in? Afraid you say that. Stay seated, keep your eyes open. I'm going to stay seated, keep my eyes closed. Worst case scenario, folks, we're headed in for another gift shop. Oh, I'm going to get some root canal, really deep root canal. We'll be alright. Looks like we've made it out of there. We made it into a secret Indian elephant bathing pool. Please feel free to take all the pictures and photos and videos you want. All of our elephants seem to have their trunks on today. Even my friend Bertha there in the shower, folks. She's been in there all morning long. Look at those wrinkles. And right over here, we got two little squirts bathing underneath the full moon. Isn't that sweet? Aww. So cute, so cute. Peanut, down boy. Down, Peanut. Down boy. Down. That's what I thought. Last time I came through here, he came up and sprayed the boat. Got everybody soaked. It was horrible. Don't do it, George. Peanut. Oh, that was close, folks. You forgot to pack his trunk. Oh, look out. Here comes George again. Duck, 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 duck. Oh, he forgot to reload. A lot of people think it's water in those things, but it's not. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are coming up to the most dangerous part of our journey, and that is the return back to civilization. For your safety and mine, please remain seated, keeping all hands, arms, legs, feet, and small children inside the boat at all times. That will help us avoid any unnecessary peer pressure back at the dock. Now, no trip to our jungle is complete without a visit with my good friend Trader Sam. Trader Sam, folks, is not just our mascot, he's also our head salesman. Now, his sales have been shrinking, but he still has a great deal for you guys. 3 of his heads for the price of 1 of yours. Any way you slice it or dice it, folks, you will come out ahead. Any takers? No? No takers? Sorry, guys, Trader Sam's a really good guy, though, folks. He invited me and my girlfriend over to his house for dinner the other night, and I said, Trader Sam, your wife makes an amazing jungle stew. He says, yeah, I know. I'm going to miss her, though. Kidding, guys. Kidding. I lied. I don't have a girlfriend. But seriously, folks, I did invite Trader Sam over to my place for a potluck dinner. He brought the entire family. There was lots of finger foods, but what was really good was the cold shoulder. And I said, Trader Sam, I can't stand your mom. She's got absolutely no taste whatsoever. He said, Skipper Jason, sometimes you got to take her with a grain of salt and pepper. He was right, folks. He was right. I know, these cannibal jokes are tasteless. They're tough to swallow. But Trader Sam, guys, did just open up the Cannibal Cafe down the road, everybody. He's always looking for new and exciting ways to serve you guys on a daily basis. Too far? Too far? Alright, well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, when we get up to the dock, there's going to be a dock on the left and a dock on your right. That's what we here at the Jungle Cruise call a paradox. I know it's kind of confusing, but don't worry, folks. We're going to get you guys out on the right side, I promise. When we get up to the dock, wait for the boat to come to a complete stop, and for me to give you the all clear. When I give you the all clear, I want everyone to stand up together. This does 2 things. 1, keeps the boat balanced, and 2, looks like you're giving me a standing ovation. At that time, everybody clap, yell, holler as loud as you possibly can. That'll really help out my self-esteem issues. When you guys go to exit out of the boat, please exit out of the boat the same way you got into the boat, minus the pushing and shoving. This side here, you on my jungle side, you will stand up, exit out through the back door. Center creates this side, you on my dock side, you will stand up, exit out through the front door. At no point in time do you cross over or through anything in the center. It's not a crate idea. It is discrateful. I don't go to your house and cross your crates. Please do not cross mine. Also, folks, it's a tripping hazard. You might trip and fall, and that'd be 2 bad trips in one boat. I am only legally responsible for that first bad trip. Just saying. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a word from our sponsors here at the world famous Jungle Cruise. This Jungle Cruise is brought to you today by Animal Crackers, teaching kids all around the world that all animals taste exactly the same. Delicious. Even better with icing and sprinkles. Also brought to you by Zebra Jerky, where every other meat's white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat, white meat, dark meat. Sorry, gets a little hairy at the tail end, folks. Zebra Jerky, yum. Also brought to you by the Miracle Boat Engine Company. Boat makes it around the river once. It's a miracle. Truly is. Also brought to you by the world famous Jungle Cruise line of perfume, Sense of Humor. It's a little dry, folks. Some people like it, some people don't. I recommend it. And last but not least, brought to you by Trader Sam's Cannibal Crunchies. It's a snack that smiles back. It's human. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we've laughed together, we've cried together, we've very nearly died together, and a lot of people would say that kind of makes us like a family. And well, folks, just like a family, 10 to 15 minutes together in a small khaki boat is obviously just far too long. So with that being said, I only got one thing left to say, and it truly is, ladies and gentlemen, from the very bottom of my heart, down to the very bottom of this very, very shallow, khaki-colored boat. Get out. I'm sorry, that was rude. Where is my true Disney hospitality, ladies and gentlemen? Please get out of my boat and have a magical day, everyone. Thank you. If you enjoyed the cruise, the name's Skipper Jason. If you didn't enjoy the cruise, well, my name really isn't that important now, is it? Watch your head, watch your step. Please use the handrail as you exit off the boat, everybody. Bye now, bye-bye. Watch your head, watch your step. If you don't watch your head or watch your step, please watch your language. This is a family.